Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, kabaru ka subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe Biafra Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasịta maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. All right, over to you.
Government has passed into law the bill for the Arms Manufacturing Act 28, 2025. The United States of Biafra, as a state, are tasked to obtain the means to locally manufacture weapons of a defensive nature to be used to defend the state and the people. Today, February 4, 2025, this bill is hereby passed into law. Thank you so much, Biafrans, and congratulations to all of us. Thank you. All right. So on that note, I think that is all we got for today to ensure that we pass these laws to protect our people from these invaders, from the marauders. That is how it's done all over the world, most part of the world, regardless of where you have the police, regardless of where you have the military. And again, the task of the military is not to be on the streets. That is why the international world needs to know that Nigeria is a failed state. There is no ideal state in the world where you have the military at checkpoints, where you have the military parading the streets where civilians live, where you have the military going into individual homes,
yes,
taking people away. That is what the Nigerian government does. That is what Christopher Musa has directed the Nigerian military to be doing inside Biafra land in all parts of Nigeria. And I'll ask Finland, do you have your military parading the streets of Finland? Does America have American soldiers parading the streets of America? Does Britain, do you have your military parading the streets of Europe, being on the checkpoints, telling people to come down from their vehicles? Britain, do you do that? How many European countries do that? But that is what Nigeria President Tinubu and Christopher Musa does. They have a policy to reintegrate non-terrorists into the Nigerian military and police. They give them uniforms. They arm them with AK-47 and they ship them down to all the different parts of Nigeria, including the Biafra land. They ship that into our new nation, United States of Biafra. And they have a task to kill every male they see that does not believe in their Islamization agenda. That is why the killings, the recent killings you've seen that have been reported on social media all over the world is going on. How many Nigerian newspapers have you seen carrying out the killings that have happened in Ihamufu? They don't carry it out. Channels Television, how many times have they reported all the killings of innocent Biafrans? And Rise Television, how many times have you carried out the massacre of innocent Biafrans in your news channel, and you say you are a free press, but you pick and choose what you report based on the calling of the Nigerian terrorist state. Not anymore. Not anymore. We are the ones that will tell our story. Nobody will tell that for us. He or she who wears the shoe knows where the shoe pinches. It is not somebody else that will come and tell our story for us. We can wait from now to the next 1,000 years for them to tell our story. They will never say that. They will never tell our story. We are the ones that will tell our story. We are the ones that will defend our land, both from the Fulani terrorists, both from the Nigeria state, both from the Ebubago, both from the Southeast and South Governor Soludo and Co., both from Hopu Zadima, both from these politicians. How many politicians, Biafra, have you seen that have reported all this killing of these innocent people near Ihamufu? So they don't represent us. They represent the Nigerian terrorist state. That is what they do. But they cannot continue to do that in our own land and go scotch-free. On that note, Biafrans, I thank you all so much for coming to this meeting. We open the floor for 1 or 2 people or 3 to talk for a few minutes, and then we will call it a day. All the people that are on this meeting, please, once the meeting ends, if you are not a secretary or a deputy secretary, please leave the meeting, because we have another meeting for only the Biafran secretaries, and there are just about 18 of them, and all the cabinet members, the deputy secretaries, there's just about 10 of them. If you do not belong to this category, once we end this meeting, please exit. Thank you so much. Go ahead, Ogodo. 1 minute. Unmute yourself, please. Ogodo man, unmute yourself.
Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, my DPM. I greet each and every one of us here. Thank God today is actually my first time joining, and I will make it a point of duty to make sure that I join. And I'm going to make it very brief, please. It's in regards to all of us. Sometimes we misunderstand some certain things and we take it differently. It's always good for us to a little bit digest things, assimilate, then make our opinion. Just 1 minute more. When I stay with my people, this is not the very first time. I have a lot of people, when we see them, they buy goods and blah, 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 blah. When you ask them, one name, all of them. But you see somebody that have 6 cars, 5 cars. So when I went to be a family, so because this is one of the best one. And the people don't understand that government have to give you the authorization. Because if government did not give you the authorization, it becomes illegal. But the moment the government gives you authorization to bear arms to defend yourself, it becomes legal. And that is exactly what we did today. And I hope some people understand it now. It's not all about purchasing gun. Ego moto, ego moto, ego moto, ego gun. Genki kampa. Here. Na Canada here. Because we meet people every day. So that is what I want to contribute. And I so much applaud this bill. Ada, one name to join your program. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Dr. Cornelius, go ahead, please.
Thank you very much, our Honorable DPM. Thank you, everyone that has voted. And I'm very happy that this bill has been passed into law today. My message to my fellow Biafrans, especially those in the homeland. We have passed the stage of the email video, because a lot of people, what they do is when they catch these terrorists, they will be making videos we have catch these people. After, they will go and hand them over to the same terrorists. And then after 1 or 2 talks, these same terrorists will be released to come and kill you again. So enough of this video and all this social media nonsense. This is a serious business. We are at war. Somebody that is at war don't have time to make it's about survival. Our race has been marked out for extinction. So you don't have to play. Once you get these people, do your business quietly. You don't need to come on social media to come and advertise it. So that is my message. Thank you very much, and God bless Biafra.
Thank you so much, Magbopro. Go ahead, please. One minute, please.
It's me, Pat again, Patricia. Thank you very much. We have done this. That is very great. And just information to the churches. The church I go in the UK here, we have security and they are trained. They are then trained. Then you will see some people outside. You will see some people at the door. You will see some people at the back of the church. So if you have mega church, because I knew that Tuesday is a very big church, I knew about it, I heard about it. You cannot just leave yourself, close your eye, you are praying, and thinking that everything will be honey and milk. You need to defend yourself. You need to train your security who will guide the church in case of anything. For example, and we pray for the nation, and when we are praying for the nation, the minister in that area, they have to come, the police have to come. We cannot just leave them like that. So please, Biafrans, church, train your members who are your security people in case of anything. Then they will inform you, then we protect you, then we protect the church. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much. And again, you have to know that these reintegrated terrorists are already trained by the Nigerian government to kill us. And that is why this bill, this law we passed today is very, very important. So that we can legally get trained, legally acquire arms to defend our people. We can legally get the same instrument they use to come and kill us. We have the power and the right from today to get the same equipment they have. Like somebody already said, if you know that you are going into somebody's house and you're carrying acid, for example, to go and pour to somebody, and you already know that individual already have acid in the house, you will think twice before going into that person's house. That's the right scenario. You rather want to go to the house of somebody who does not have acid to pour the person acid. That's exactly what we've done today. And like another person has said, before the security come to you or come to me or come to Biafra, what have you done as an individual? In the comfort of your home, you are sitting in your house. Honorable Ola, somebody here explained where they saw somebody, a reintegrated Fulani terrorist, that had to climb the fence. It took the person almost 10 minutes to climb the gate, jump into the gate, come into your own house, and then go in to kill the person. And you're telling the person, no, do not get arms. Just relax and watch. When that person is coming and jumping, call the police, call the defense team. They will come and defend you. And they will travel from Abakaliki and travel 20 miles to somebody who is already there with you within 5 or 10 minutes. That is not practicable. You are killing our people more by not supporting this bill. That's what you're doing. Self-defense is a right. We must protect ourselves from the reintegrated terrorists that the Nigerian government give AK-47 to come and kill us. That is exactly what we've done. Galaxy, go ahead, 1 minute, please. We need to jump into another minute.
Galaxy M02.
Unmute yourself, Galaxy M02. Then we go to probably Adadia Rama, go ahead, please.
Thank you, my DPM. Ekene mo no mundibuo. Wow, I'm happy. This is democracy. Yes, a democracy. If I'm uje onye ọna mee pụọ uchie and otu ọnụ siri masị gị ikwu onye or if I na practice. I had a practice do or die or iwuliti n'ihe ekwe nke ahụ m kwuru. Oil here today. So I'm happy. I'm very, very happy. So the only thing in the cool that now some people now say why ada edging kwete ama m ihe mere GC. No. The only thing in GC no ebugodo m ụzọ chee na ụmụ ogbe enwenwughị ike ilu that side. And the chekwene ndị niile a na-egbu ụmụ ogbe ka ha. So they need a help hand to protect them. So I can the bank which blues when I free them. Before chasing those. So makandina as na a topic. They don't have a topic because all now a topic. I am because this is democracy. And the democracy kind of practice here. So everything here, we're one family, and we are still one family. Nothing will happen. I wanna make and I have a continue by nature. This is it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's go to the next one. Galaxy MO2, can you unmute yourself? Okay, Ben Chooks, 1 minute, please. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Biafra, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. I want to say a very big thank you to
hello,
the Biafran government.
hello.
And also to our
Oh no, Galaxy MO2, we've been calling you.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. I'm Donna, the nurse from
Galaxy MO2, can you hold on, please? Okay, go ahead, please, Ben Chooks. Unmute yourself.
Thank you so much, Excellency. Yeah, dear friends, I just want to use this opportunity to tell you that this is a template from the FINLAND oligarchy. We have already, all these things have been exposed, but our people, they forget too much. They forget easily. So everyone has to be very, very careful now. And this bill is one of the best.
Wadaloli neno from Igbo media, boy by Sire Utanu si Diokempa, Bastabak Yemen and Nigeria, and the enemy teacher na Eastern region, and Uno Kosia than Finland, and the Biafran Prime Minister, KCGD, the update and the Yabu Biafran declaration came in Finland, so Yelina Kaya, I know Telu Niba Huko. Kifi waliku basta makayabo iye chief of staff kukasinirwa kuko yaneboro tagasiaka and the new development on Biafra of United States of Biafra. So yabi ife ka isi kai tiedo no kono kwa ifunche no den kono basta makayabi ife ngwa dado dinen kemesi anu munem.